Hello and good evening. I'm Amanda Alfonso and you're watching Goa 365. Our headlines at the hour. Newborns to be screened for critical disorders and malfunctioning. BJP comes to the aid of public transport sector. Parrikar says speed governors will not be effective. SEZ Virodi Manch makes a representation to Sonia Gandhi to denotify special economic zones. Indian Students Educational Aid Foundation, a boon to needy students. Now for the news in detail. On the recommendation of the Medical Advisory Council, the Cabinet yesterday decided to screen newborn babies to avoid critical disorders.
Cabinet has decided to screen the newborn babies in the government hospitals. It's a universal newborn screening scheme which we have approved in today's Cabinet. This was based on the recommendation of the Health Advisory Council.
Health Minister Vishwajit Rane disclosed that the Goa government would be the first state to implement this.
The main characteristic of this newborn baby screening is today we are going to make it mandatory in our government hospitals where babies born there are basically belonging to the poor families in order to help them out so that in future to avoid costs and other things, treatable disorders in the children will be identified at the time of birth within 48 hours of birth. And this is unique. Goa is the first state, just like how
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath disclosed that the Cabinet has also approved the long pending demands of teachers seeking senior pay scale for those who had completed more than 12 years.
So we have decided senior scale to undergraduate and graduate teachers after considering 12 years of service required for such upgradation from the date of their initial appointment. So this was one of the demand which was put forward by the teachers. Even we have decided to grant the benefit of 2 increment to the teachers who have already retired.
He also informed that the Cabinet gave its clearance for development of the Panjim city under the Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission.
Cabinet has also approved the Memorandum of Understanding signed between the Government of India and the Government of Goa and the City of Corporation of Panjim under the Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission.
The Cabinet has also decided to give computers to left-out students.
Cabinet has also approved the Goa Cyber Age Student Scheme, EduNet 1, for this year. There was an apprehension in the minds of the students. They have been asking whether we will get computers or not. Actually, the tenders have already been floated. The Cabinet has already approved this scheme also. This Cabinet also decided to clear this proposal for left-out students also.
And has increased the Goa State Disaster Management Fund from 50,000 to 1 lakh.
Cabinet also approved the Goa State Disaster Management Fund scheme.
Yeah, I understand. It was earlier, it was 50,000. Now we made it a 1 lakh. Few loss of life and all that. So we increased that disaster management. It was made it double.
The government has accepted the request made by NRIs to include other properties in recent amendments made to the Goa Daman and Diu Building Lease Rent Control Act of 1968.
The request saying that only ancestral properties are defined, then supposing NRI has purchased a flat or NRI has purchased some property where then they may not be able to take action. So we have decided that it should not be only ancestral property, it should be applicable to other properties also which they have acquired subsequently.
Leader of the opposition Manohar Parrikar alleged that the urgency shown by the government in implementing its decision to install speed governors compulsory for heavy vehicles is directly linked to the commission involved in the process.
बसयल्यान कितें नुकसान जावंक जाय तें म्हाका खबर ना पण ते बसोवपाचो फार्स वो केवळ कोणाक तरी पयशे मेळूंक जाय कोणाचे तरी भितर कमिशनां लाटपाचो धंदो आसतलो म्हणून केला आसतलो.
Briefing media persons, Mr. Parrikar advised the government to delay the process by 6 months and consult the transport associations and wondered whether implementation of speed governors would decrease road accidents.
हांव सजेशन करता आनी विनंती करता गव्हर्मेंटाक की तांच्यांनी हो निर्णय एक 6 म्हयने फुडें धुकलून ताजो खरोच फायदो जाता काय हे चेक करचे तांचेवर बसून.
He wanted to know how the Transport Department would control the speed limit of interstate vehicles entering the state and termed the decision of the government as discriminatory.
भायल्या गाडयो ज्यो गोंयांत येता म्हणजे गोंया भायली गाडी जर रजिस्टर आसा ती गोंयांत येत जाल्यार ताका गव्हर्नरचें कंपल्शन ना आनी करूंकूय शकना. म्हणजेच डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिटवीन व्हेकल रजिस्टर्ड इन गोवा आनी व्हेकल रजिस्टर्ड आवटसायड त्यामुळे लिगली हो विशय क्वेश्चनेबल आसा. पण पयलीं म्हणजे भायल्या व्हेकलांक ना, म्हणजे भायल्या व्हेकलांक गाडी 80 किलोमिटर स्पिडीन मारून लोकांक चिड्डिल्यार जाता. दुसरो विशय आसा डावन स्लोप ह्या गव्हर्नरांचो उपयोग जायना, देवतेचेर हो गव्हर्नर काम करिना.
He also questioned the method that would be adopted to monitor fixing of speed governors.
तिसरी गजाल हो गव्हर्नर फिटमेंटाच्या वेळार लायलो आनी मागीर काडलो जाल्यार ताजे खातीर सरकारा कडेन कितें कंट्रोल आहा, कारण तो गव्हर्नर भितर इंजिना कडेन बसयतात, तो भायर दिसती पडना नंबरा भशेन. त्यामुळे बसयलो फिटमेंट जालें की ना भाड्याक दिवपाक येतले डेली गव्हर्नर. फिटनेस टेस्ट ती पुरतो गव्हर्नर लावपाचो.
Mr. Parikar said that there is no use of speed governors as the speed limit for most of the state roads is 40 kilometers per hour, whereas the speed governors would allow vehicles to move at 60 kilometers per hour.
ती हो गव्हर्नर 7 किलोमिटराचेर जो बसोवंक सोदता 60 किलोमिटर कंट्रोलाक, तर गोंयान एज पर द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट ऑल हायवेज आर लेस देन 60. देर इज नो एरिया इन गोवा where you can drive above 60 kilometers as per the notification of police department. You can go and ask traffic police.
We'll spill into a short break. Stay with us.